Assalamu alaikum everyone, I'm teacher Ahmed and today we are going to talk about the present simple for 9th grade module number 4. So let's get started. Okay guys, now let's talk about the affirmative form of the simple present. إذا الحالة المثبتة للمضارع البسيط. So here we have, if the subject is I, we, you, they or any plural noun إذا كان الفاعل ضمير جمع أو أي اسم جمع, we add verb 1. And if the subject is he, she, it or any singular noun إذا كان الفاعل مفرد أو ضمير مفرد, we add verb 1 plus s or es. Then we complete the sentence. So here we have examples. They play tennis every day. They play tennis every day. So here the subject is plural. إذن هنا الفاعل جمع. So we add play without anything. And here we have he plays. So here we add s. Why? Because the subject is singular. لأن الفاعل مفرد. Okay, so here we have exception. هنا لدينا حالة استثناء when we add es. So we add es for verbs ending in. إذا هنا نضيف es للأفعال التي تنتهي ب s, z, ch, sh or x. For example, miss, misses, watch, watches, wash, washes. Okay guys, now let's move to the question form, حالة السؤال. So here we add do for I, we, you, they or any plural noun. إذا نضيف do لضمائر الجمع أو أي اسم جمع, and does for the singular he, she, it or any singular noun. Okay guys, please hear notes. Just we add verb 1. إذن هنا في حالة السؤال فقط نضيف فعل أول without s or es, بدون s أو es. If it is singular or plural, إذا كانت مفرد أو جمع نضيف verb 1. Then we complete the sentence and here we put the question mark. Here we have examples. Do they play tennis every day? Do they play tennis every day? So the answer is yes or no. If we began the question by do or does, so the answer yes or no. إذا بدأنا السؤال بدو أو does, الإجابة فقط yes or no. So yes, they do, or no, they don't. Another example. Does he play tennis every day? Does he play tennis every day? So the answer is yes, he does, or no, he doesn't. Now let's move to the WH question. So here we add what, where, when, which, who, or how. So here we have the same form, do or does, plus subject. So if the subject is singular or plural according to the subject, plus verb 1, and we complete the sentence and we add the question mark. Just here we add the WH question at the beginning. إذا هنا فقط نضيف ال WH في البداية. So here we have the example. Where do they play tennis every day? Where do they play tennis every day? إذا هنا فقط ضفنا where في بداية السؤال. So here the answer is full sentence. إذا هنا الإجابة تكون جملة كاملة. So they play tennis in the cart. I'm sorry. So they play tennis in the cart. إذا هم يلعبون التنس في الملعب. So if the question began with WH, So the answer is full sentence. إذا كان السؤال يبدأ بال WH تكون الإجابة جملة كاملة. And if the subject is began with do or does تكون الإجابة by use yes or no. Okay guys, now let's move to حالة النفي. So here we have if the subject is plural, so we add do plus not, and we can construct it to don't. And if the subject is singular إذا كان الفاعل مفرد, so we add does plus not, and we can construct it to doesn't plus verb 1. Just verb 1. Okay guys, so in the question form and the negative form just we add verb 1. إذا في حالة السؤال وحالة النفي فقط نضيف التصريف الأول بدون أي زيادة, and we complete the sentence and we put the full stop. Here we have examples. They don't play tennis every day. They don't play tennis every day. So here we add don't. Why? Because the subject is plural. Another example. So he doesn't play tennis every day. He doesn't play tennis every day. So here we add doesn't. Why? Because the subject is singular. And play, it is verb 1 without any adding. Without any adding. Uses الاستخدامات. So we use the present symbol to talk about repeated actions or habits. إذا نستخدم المضارع البسيط للتحدث عن الأعمال المتكررة أو النشاطات المتكررة. Here we have an example. I go to school 5 times a week. I go to school 5 times a week. إذا أنا أذهب إلى المدرسة 5 مرات في الأسبوع. إذا هذا العمل متكرر. كل أسبوع أذهب إلى المدرسة 5 مرات. إذا هذا عمل متكرر. Number 2. So we use the present symbol to talk about facts. إذا نستخدم المضارع البسيط للتحدث عن الحقائق. Here we have an example. The sun rises from the east. The sun rises from the east. إذا الشمس تشرق من المشرق. So here we add for the verb as. Why? Because the subject is singular. لأن sun مفرد. Now let's talk about the keywords. الكلمات الدالة. So here we have always, usually, often, sometimes, frequently, once or twice a week, مرة أو مرتين في الأسبوع, every day, every week, every month, every year. So these are the key words. Okay guys, now let's move to fill the gaps of these sentences by using the simple present. إذا أكمل هذه الفراغات باستخدام المضارع البسيط. Number 1. Ahmed and Ali empty breakfast every morning. So here we have not. So it is negative form. إذا هنا لدينا نفي. And here we have the keyword every morning. في كل صباح. So Ahmed and Ali, it is plural. Good. هي جمع. So Ahmed and Ali don't eat breakfast. Number 2. He always empty his car. Fix. So we have always, it is the key word. هي كلمة الدالة. So he, it is singular. And here we have fix, the letter X. So he always fixes. So we add ES. Why? Because the verb ending in X. Number 3. empty they, empty English, and here we have question mark. إذا هنا لدينا علامة سؤال, and here we have two embeds. هنا لدينا فراغين. So they, it is singular or plural? So it is plural. So we add do. So do they study English? So here the answer, yes or no. So the answer is no, they don't. Number three, she usually empty tea. She usually empty tea drink. So here we have usually, it is the keyword. And here we have she, it is singular. So she usually drinks tea. Number five, where? So here we have the question by using the WH question. Where empty, he empty question mark word. So here he it is singular. So where does he work? So here we need full sentence. So he works at this school. He works at this school. Okay guys, so you have to write them down in your notebook. Thank you for watching and I will see you very soon. Assalamu alaikum.